This guide goes through how to set up your account mapping in Quick Setup. We have grouped together transaction types into categories to make it easier to understand your sales, fees, and taxes. Taxomate can automatically generate accounts in your accounting software based on these categories. After automatically generating these accounts, Taxomate will take you to payment settings, the final step in Quick Setup. You can also manually map accounts you created in your accounting software to transaction type categories in Taxomate. Click on the Proceed to Next Step button. If you are using the manual mapping setup, please assign an account in your accounting software to one of the transaction type categories. You can further customize your account and tax code mappings once Quick Setup is complete. If you are connecting multiple Amazon or eBay marketplaces, you can copy mappings from one country marketplace to another. Once you are finished mapping your accounts, select the Save Mappings button. In the final step of Quick Setup, and if you are using Quickbooks, select the bank account where you receive sales channel payments. For Amazon, you will need to make a selection for each Amazon country marketplace. If you are using Xero or Wave, you will not see this option. Next, select the bank account or credit card used to pay your sales channel when you owe them money. You will also see selections for Invoice Customer and Quickbooks classes. We recommend leaving the Invoice Customer as is. For Quickbooks classes, you can use this to track transactions in QuickBooks reports for each marketplace. Xero allows you to do this with tracking categories. Click on the Proceed to Next Step button to finish Quick Setup and be taken to your settlements or payouts.